Hey there and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to cover the fifth exercise of the Code with Harry 100 Days of Python course. Right, so in this course, we basically have to create this game Snake Water Gun, right? So, Snake Water and Gun is a variation of the children's game Rock, Paper, Scissors, where player use hand gestures to represent a snake, water, or a gun. The gun beats the snake, the water beats the gun, and the snake beats the water. Write a Python program to create a snake water gun game in Python using if-else statements. Do not create any fancy GUI. Use the proper function to check for win. Okay, so let's start the coding, right? So for this exercise, you have to import this random module, right? You can open your command prompt and write pip install random2 to install this module. Okay, after installing it, we will assign some variables and their values. Then we are going to make a def function, right? What this will do is that this will check whether it's a tie, it's a win, or it's a lose, right? So as you can see, if user choice is 0, which means snake, and user choice is 2, and if the user choice is 1 and the computer choice is 0, if the user choice is 2 and the computer choice is 1, it's going to return user. Then we have basically used if else statements, right? You can um, understand it in the detail if you know focus on this better. Okay, then we're going to print this welcome to snake water again. Then we're going to print you are playing against the computer. Then we're going to print some rules of the game. Then we're going to write this snake is equal to 0, water is equal to 1, and gun is equal to 2. Okay, so then we're going to make a list in which the user has three choices, right? Not only the user, also the computer. Then we're going to create a while true loop in which we'll take firstly an input from the user, right? Also queue to exit or quit the program, right? Okay. If user choices queue or quit, then break the program. If user choice is not in choices, then print invalid choice, try again, and continue the program. Then make a computer choose a random value, right, between these three, 0, 1, and 2 in this choices list, right? Then uh, we are going to print what you chose, and we're also going to print what the computer chose, right? You can also use f string in these cases, right? Okay, then we're now going to check who is the winner using our check win function, right? Okay, if winner is tie, then print it's a tie. If winner is user, then print congratulations, you have won, right? Um, else, sorry, the computer won. So basically, if we are returning tie, that means that the game is tied. If we are returning user, that means we've won, and else we've lost, right? So okay, then we're simply going to print thanks for playing. Okay, so now let's run this program and check if this is working fine or not. So okay, welcome to Snake Water Gun. We're playing against the computer. The rules are snake beats water, water beats gun, gun beats snake. Snake is equal to 0, water is equal to 1, and gun is equal to 2. Enter your choice 0 for snake, 1 for water, or 2 for gun, or Q for exit, Q to exit, right? So let's enter 1 now. As you can see, you chose 1, the computer chose 2. Sorry, the computer won. Now let's enter 0. You chose 0, the computer chose 2. Congratulations, you won. Now let's enter 2. You chose 2, the computer chose 1. Congratulations, you won. Right, so now let's enter some random invalid text. Okay, it's of course going to give me invalid choice, try again, as we did earlier, right? As we programmed this earlier. So now let's enter Q to exit. So Q, as you can see, the program is exited. I hope you understood this piece of code I've written, right? If you want this code, I'll give this link. I'll give the link of this code in the description. You can definitely go ahead and check. If you want to do any freelance work, I'm open to do any freelance work. Every detail of me is in the description. You can definitely go ahead and check, right? So I'll meet you in the next video covering the other exercises of this course, right? So I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.